Not sure if you should use KDP's free ISBN or bring your own? Let me show you how it works and which one makes more sense depending on your goals. Go into your book listing and open the paperback content section. You will see the ISBN section near the top. By default, KDP lets you get a free ISBN with one click. And for most people, that's all you need. It's valid, trackable, and lets you start publishing right away. But here's the catch. KDP's free ISBN only works on Amazon and a few Amazon distributed channels. If you want to sell your book somewhere else, like Barnes& and Noble or Ingram Spark, you will need to buy and assign your own ISBN instead. That's because when you use KDP's free ISBN, Amazon is listed as the publisher, and other platforms won't accept it. So if you want full publishing control and plan to distribute beyond Amazon, getting your own ISBN is the way to go. Quick tip: once an ISBN is assigned to a book, it's locked in and can't be changed. So only switch to a custom one if you are sure you need it. And that's it. Easy. If you are publishing more books and want to skip the manual setup for covers, interiors, and keywords, check out the link below. It's the tool I use to make the whole process faster. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre-made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I've linked it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.